Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Today, we are going to laser cut a leather AirPods Pro case using a template. Okay, so when it comes to this laser cutting leather, I'm trying to get really good at it. But when you in this laser cutting world and you trying to learn how to do any type of laser cutting and you want to get good at it, one way to start out is purchasing a template. And I'm going to tell you why. Okay, the main reason on why to use a template is because it's probably already been tested. They know it works because they're going to want you to come back and buy some more templates from them. Okay, and the reason why I'm making a case for my AirPods is because they are still clean. These was my old ones. I know, right? I don't know if you can see it or not, but I didn't have no case for these, but yeah, really, really dirty. Okay, voiceover time. Well, this is the template right here once you download it. I will put the link to this template in the description below. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, go over here and select thick natural leather. Those are the settings I'm going to use. And these are the actual numbers. Proof grade cut is gonna be 168 speed, full power, 1 pass, and I got it on auto. And it's gonna take this cut 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay, we got everything cut out, and I also have already put my buttons on, and then I got to my red and blue one with the actual engrave of Troy the Maker on it, and I noticed that I put the button on there wrong. I put it on there backwards, as you can see. If I turn around this way, that's how I put the button on. So, and I don't have any more red leather. I used it all on another project. So we're just gonna push that one to the side and we're gonna continue with the black one. So now I'm about to stitch it all together. I got my thread and my needles hooked right here. And I got this stitching pony right here that I'm gonna use. Okay, we got everything sold out. I must say, this is some of my best hand stitching that I have done since I've been trying to mess with leather. This was a project that I did a little minute ago, and as you can see, the holes on the end, I had them too close to the edge. So when I started sewing it together, like right here, it started basically ripping through, and I just kind of gave up on that project. And also, this was supposed to be a card holder. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed, because I'm definitely going to be trying this again, because this was turning out really, really good. But let's get back to the AirPod case. And there you have it, a laser cut leather AirPods Pro case using a template. Don't hesitate to buy a template from somebody, especially if it's something that you probably could use or something that interests you, because you never know what you might learn. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.